Hi guys, this is the part 2 and this is one frozen one, and also let's open it. I'm opening it. B, don't say I am so ugly. I think I am ugly because I am. And don't say my voice is ugly too. If someone says that, I'm going to quit now. I'm going to quit. Where this, or this? Is okay. Wax is not edible. Why it's called wax candy? It's not even edible. The wax.
Alam ko yung wax yan, o. Wax candy, ano? Naka-record ba yan? Sorry. Poko naman, naman.
Kailan mapakasya ng mga yan?
Kato, ano mo?
I eat all the wax. I not eat it. I just put it on my mouth.
Ang ganda naman ng kit, eh. Nasa yung pinch.